we discovered na naada ay may bright dress balay.
Ano?
Not ay bright dress sa balay.
Super.
Katong nag-question ta. Hindi siya? Let me see. What? No, not you. You're the goofy one. Puro sa kabino ang Charlie ko.
Do you know why the French bulldog can't eat American dog?
Why French bulldog cannot eat American hot dog?
American dog.
Yeah, American dog is American hot dog.
Because they can't eat because they're not American.
Ha
They're
ha.
French.
Tawanan mo ka, Charlie.
No!
No! Go! Bye!
Bye.
So, let's test kung bright ba dyan ng tawhanan eh. Unsa ang pinakaunang satellite na labay sa space? I mean, gipadala sa space. Pinakaunang artificial satellite ha? Not rocket, satellite. Unsa?
Pagin sabi. Ako?
Oo, kung may lain.
Spot niya.
Sputnik? Kinsa nagpadala?
Racist on.
Nga no? Nga nagpadala sila kuya?
Cold War because ito na fight sila sa US about Chesapeake.
Eh? Pati space ang awayan? Unsa na ito? Na year kaya? You don't know? You can't remember the year? But tay cold, unsa to?
Cold War.
Unsa na year? Ang Cold War.
After World War II,
Unsa na year?
I think 1946.
Kana?
1945 was the end of the World War II. So
Late 1946?
yeah, okay.
Kaya huwag mo kaya eh. Bright kay kape?
Yeah.
What? Dili, ka bright. Kani? Kani ang bright.
You are correct.
Oo.